Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Lexus NX. First, find the cruise control stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/off button located at the end of this stalk. You'll see a green indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the system is now active and ready for you to set your desired speed. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a more relaxed driving experience on highways. Once cruise control is active, accelerate to your desired speed. Then, simply push the stalk down to the set position to lock in that speed. To adjust your speed, push the stalk up towards res/plus to increase it, or push it down towards set/ to decrease it. Each push will typically adjust your speed by 1 mile per hour, allowing for precise control without using the pedals. Your Lexus NX also features dynamic radar cruise control. To activate this, press the distance control button on the stalk. This allows your vehicle to automatically maintain a preset distance from the car in front of you. You can cycle through 3 different following distance settings by pressing this button again, giving you flexibility based on traffic conditions and your comfort level. To temporarily cancel cruise control, you have a couple of options. You can either pull the stalk towards you or simply tap the brake pedal. If you wish to resume your last set speed, just push the stalk up to the res/plus position. This is handy for brief interruptions, like changing lanes or navigating a short exit, allowing you to quickly return to your cruising speed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.